Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I got something special for you guys. I just bought some new marker pads. So it's from Ohuhu. And I'm gonna open it up so you guys can see how it looks. I just bought this from Amazon. So let's check it out, guys. Let's see what we got in here. Okay. So this is how the pad looks. I gotta say the quality looks pretty nice. Good quality. And here we have some, okay, so it shows how a little bit of instructions. Basically it's showing you that you can also buy their markers, which I already have from that same brand. And we can also see what else we got in here. Let's see. So if we open it up, the quality of this paper feels really nice actually. I gotta say it's really good quality. And you can see that, I'll show you guys in more detail. I'll put it up, zoom it in with the camera later on. But as you can see, there's a tear on the edges of the pages. So you can tear off the pages after you finish drawing, which I think that's really cool, without having to do it yourself or, you know, taking the risk of breaking the page, which is really cool. And what else does it bring? Let's see. I can see it also brings this. And this you would put, okay, so this you can use to put behind your pages of your drawing, so that way it doesn't go through the next page, which that's really cool that it comes with it. So that's awesome. So I'm really excited with this new sketchbook. So today guys, I'm gonna draw a new sketch, and the sketch that I'm gonna be doing is gonna be Naruto. So stay tuned to see how it comes out. Thanks guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video to see how I did this new Naruto drawing. And I'm just going to show you guys one more time how it looks. I think it came out pretty cool. Hopefully you guys liked it. If you like it, leave a thumbs up, let me know. And also, let me know what you want me to do next with this new sketchbook. I'm really excited to have a new sketchbook. And I look forward to doing other sketches in the future. Thanks guys.